In 600 feet, turn left onto Locust Street.
My next delivery is like 2 minutes away. So it's like, let's see something. If I get out of here, would it be more easier? Oh yeah. Yeah, let me get out of here instead.
Turn left onto North Canal Street.
Let me get out of here instead, because if I go straight, that thing gonna do a lot of turnings. And I rather just go straight.
Turn right onto East 2nd Street.
It's not like I can't do the turnings, but I rather go straight. Alright, so that should say no truck, but I'm like 1 minute. I'm like 1 minute to go deliver it. Main Street. But I'm literally 1 minute, so how the fuck y'all want me? What y'all want me to do? Talk about no truck. I mean, somehow I gotta deliver it. Y'all know what I mean? Like, make it make sense. Where the freak I'm supposed to go? That a truck right here.
In 800 feet, your destination will be on the left.
On the left.
Your destination is on the left.
So I'm guessing it's that building over there. 420. Yeah, I'm guessing it's that blue building. So let me get out and go ask them. So just got done with my last delivery. Just put that shit here. So now, that's not my last, but that was one of them residential deliveries. Now, my next drop off gotta be 1 hour. Gonna be 1 hour away. She said something about there's a. Okay, she said something about there's a way to come out here. She said. I think she said there's a way to come out here, but I don't know, maybe I'm gonna get stuck here.
Head west on East Water Street, then turn right. Turn right toward East 2nd Street, then turn left
Oh,
on East
okay.
2nd Street. Head west on East Water Street toward Pearl Street.
Water Street. Okay.
In 300 feet, turn left onto East 2nd Street.
Now I'm turning on Water Street. Okay. Now I'm gonna make a turn here.
Turn right onto Park Street.
Alright guys, so see you guys at the next drop off. Alright, this location, this place, I came here to deliver before. So
Head south.
So they're gonna basically want me to come park here. Then I'm basically gonna have to get the pallets of the truck. Basically gonna get the pallet of the trucks. Alright. One of them tricky dock. Okay. So y'all see all them, there's no space at all. And then y'all see all them freaking y'all see all them I don't know how to freaking call them, but them trash thing. But anyway, the best way I think to get in it there is to basically go like this, then kind of like face the street. Okay, then from now we're gonna back into it. I could not find a better way to back into that dock. I could not find a better way to back into that dock. I think that's the best way. Okay, then from there we're gonna fix ourselves. Like I said, I could not find a better way to back in to that dock. Not gonna be good. Make myself straight. Then from now, we're gonna play with the wheel. Left, right. Left, right. Left, right. Left, right. Then we're almost there. Left, right. Left, right. Left. I mean, I'm not saying I'm the best, but I'm one of the best when it comes to back into docks, man. Probably gonna pull up a little bit. When it comes to back into docks, I can count me in because I gotta be one of the best. Let's see this shit. Left, right, left, this is gonna be the end of the vlog. I don't have enough space right now. I just stop at Hawks. Can't show you guys how it looks like. Stop at Hawks. I'm gonna take my 30 minutes. I gotta pee so bad. I'm gonna go pee. Then after I'm done pee, I bring my own food, so I'm gonna microwave my food. And you know the funny thing is, they got space there, so if you wanna eat, if you don't wanna eat in the truck, you can go eat there, I'm guessing. So yeah, make sure you guys like, subscribe, comments. I'm out, y'all. And get my food, y'all.